Attention globe-trotting enthusiasts and aspiring travel vloggers. So, you've decided to dive into the world of travel vlogging, capturing your adventures for all to see? Awesome! But before you hit that record button and jet off to your dream destinations, there are a few tips and tricks you should know. We're talking about making your travel vlogs pop, sizzle, and stand out from the crowd. From nifty camera hacks to storytelling secrets, we've got your back. So grab your selfie stick and let's turn your travel vlog dreams into a reality. Hey there, fellow adventure seekers and travel enthusiasts. If you ever dreamt of documenting your globe-trotting escapades and sharing them with the world, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned travel vlogger or just getting started, we've got some epic tips and tricks to take your vlogs to the next level. So grab your camera, pack your bags, and get ready to capture the essence of your journey like a pro. Let's dive into this whirlwind world of travel vlogging together. With the support of our sponsor, Teleprompter.com, we're able to bring you this video today. With modern tools like the Teleprompter.com app, recording videos has never been simpler. With the aid of this groundbreaking new program, you are now able to prepare a script ahead of time and casually read your lines while maintaining eye contact with the camera and a conversational tone with your audience. Plan your storyline and content. Having a clear storyline or theme for your vlog is like the secret sauce that makes it delicious. It's the roadmap that keeps your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Think of it as the glue that holds your vlog pieces together. But here's the deal. To make that theme pop, you gotta plan ahead. Scoping out locations and activities in advance is your golden ticket. It ensures you're not wandering around aimlessly with your camera like a headless chicken. However, don't forget to sprinkle in some flexibility. Life's unexpected moments are like sprinkles on your vlog cupcake. You want to be ready to capture those raw, unscripted gems. So plan, but don't be too rigid. Let the adventure unfold naturally, and you'll serve up a vlog that's pure gold. Invest in the right gear. When you're out there chasing epic adventures for your travel vlog, you've got to make sure you've got the right gear in your backpack. First off, your camera is your trusty sidekick, so invest in a good one. It's got to capture those jaw-dropping landscapes and memorable moments in stunning detail. But what's a great video without some steady shots? That's where a stabilizer comes in handy. It keeps your footage from looking like a shaky roller coaster ride. And here's the secret sauce: a top-notch microphone. Quality audio is just as important as the visuals. No one wants to strain their ears to hear your epic tales. Why does all this matter? Well, think about it. When you're trying to convey the beauty of a place or share your heartfelt thoughts, you want your audience to feel like they're right there with you. High-quality audio and video do that job, bringing out the essence of your journey. The cherry on top? Lightweight and portable gear. You don't want to lug around a ton of heavy stuff when you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a bustling city. Compact equipment means you're nimble, flexible, and always ready to capture the magic, no matter where your adventures take you. So pack smart, capture right, and keep those travel vlogs rolling. Capture B-roll and scenic shots. Capturing those stunning, cinematic shots can take your videos from meh to mind-blowing. It's like adding a dash of magic to your storytelling. So, how do you nail that awesome B-roll footage? Well, first off, get creative with your angles. Don't just stand there like a tree. Move around, crouch down, or get up high to spice things up. Remember, variety is your best buddy. Mix it up with wide shots to set the scene, close-ups to show the juicy details, and throw in some cool time lapses to add drama. The key is to keep your audience hooked, and that means giving them a visual feast to savor. So go out there, have fun, and let your camera work its enchantment. Storytelling and narration. Narration and voiceovers are powerful tools to enhance the impact of a vlog. They serve as the storyteller's voice, guiding viewers through the content, providing context, and creating a connection. To make your vlog more compelling, consider these tips for effective storytelling and audience engagement. First, maintain a conversational tone, as if you're speaking to a friend. Be genuine, relatable, and passionate about your topic. Share personal anecdotes and emotions. This authenticity resonates with viewers and makes your vlog memorable. Secondly, create a coherent narrative structure. Start with a hook to grab your audience's attention, build tension or excitement, and then provide resolution or valuable insights. Use visuals to complement your narration and ensure that your voice matches the mood and pace of the video. Finally, keep it concise and engaging, avoiding lengthy monologues. Remember, in the world of vlogging, the way you tell your story can make all the difference in keeping your audience hooked and coming back for more. Editing and post-production. Post-production in travel vlogs is that special thing that makes your adventures pop and come alive. It's where the magic happens after you've collected all those epic clips from your trips. Editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, helps you turn those raw videos into a mesmerizing story. You can trim the boring bits, add transitions, and make colors pop like a bag of Skittles. Basic editing techniques, such as cutting, overlaying shots, and color correction, are like your artist's toolkit, turning your raw footage into a masterpiece. And then there's the groove-inducing music and swooshing sound effects. They're like the heartbeat of your vlog. Music sets the mood, whether it's an adventurous drumbeat or a soothing melody. It guides your viewers through your journey. Sound effects like birds chirping or waves crashing add layers of authenticity. So don't underestimate the power of post-production, my friend. It's what makes your travel vlogs unforgettable. There you have it, guys. Some killer tips for making your travel vlogs epic. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, these nuggets of wisdom can really take your videos to the next level. Remember to keep it real, capture those authentic moments, and tell a story that'll keep your audience hooked. Don't forget to showcase the beauty of the places you visit. And most importantly, have a blast doing it. So grab your camera, hit the road, and let the adventures roll, because the world is waiting to be vlogged, and you're the one to do it. Happy vlogging! I hope this video was useful to you. Give it a thumbs up and visit our channel to see more of this kind of material. We also discuss the most recent podcasting advice and how you can use it to keep your listeners interested. Please feel free to leave comments or questions in the space provided below. Thank you for viewing.